Hi everybody, I'm Sven Kili. I'm one of the hosts for the Advanced Therapies Think Tank. For those of you that don't know, Advanced Therapies Think Tank is really your key source of information and in-depth discussions about the really big topics in cell and gene therapies. And I'd like to invite you to our next session, which will be on December the 4th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be talking about what is the place of autologous cell therapies in the future. Are they going to have a place, or are they just a way or a bridge to get through to in vivo therapies? It's going to be a really exciting, in-depth discussion. We've got luminaries like Carl June, who's going to be joining us, and we're going to be talking about where the future really lies in this space. So we'd love to have you join us. Please make sure you register. It's free of charge, either on the Advanced Therapies Think Tank website or on LinkedIn. Just look up Advanced Therapies Think Tank. We've got tons of information on there, and you can really stay up to date with who all of the other speakers are and also recaps of previous sessions. So look forward to seeing you there.